Hey everybody, Professor Benelou with a little motivational video to help get you psyched up and geared up with what's going on in Unit 5. My office hours will be held tomorrow, which will be Monday, December 9th from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time as usual. And Tuesday the 10th, our chat times will be as regularly scheduled. Unit 5, our very last chat 5. We will be discussing the presidencies of Bill Clinton and George W. Bush, and we'll get a tiny bit into the presidency of Barack Obama. A lot of interesting things to discuss. I hope to see you there. Unit 4 due dates, you have your remaining due date on Tuesday, the 10th, extremely important. You should have already turned in your Unit 4 discussion board original post. Well, Tuesday on the 10th, you have your Unit 4 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And it's extremely important to note that your response post will not be accepted after December 10th. So get this in. Don't get 15 points taken right off the bat because you either didn't respond to your classmates in time or you didn't respond to them at all. So please get this in. This is extremely important. You have two important writing assignments in this course. First is Unit 2 discussion board and the second is Unit 4 discussion board. You can still get in your original post to Unit 2 discussion board if you already haven't. Please get it in. And please get this Unit 4 discussion board in. It's extremely important. Okay, so that is Tuesday, the 10th. Your Unit 4 discussion board responses are due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Also, on Tuesday, the 10th, you have your Unit 4 IntelliPath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, extremely important to get that in. Your Unit 5 due dates, Friday, December 13th, Friday the 13th, everybody. You have your Unit 5 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then on Tuesday, which will be the 16th, you will have your Unit 5 IntelliPath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I'm sorry, that will be actually December 17th will be Tuesday. But anyway, that is what you have upcoming. Please let me know if you have absolutely any questions and have a great week, everybody.